market is trying its darndest to rally. We also have Trump speaking tonight. I'm sure there's going to be positive news. Most often we rally into the news and fade after that news. We're going to wait and see. I don't believe that we're just going to rally like crazy, guys, but let me give you a number to watch. It's actually an IWM number, if you don't mind. Look at this one. This is a good number to watch for the day, guys. IWM right here, 255 or 253. 100 period moving average. You see we spiked up to there this time, got down to the 200 period moving average. This is a good line in the sand for us today, 253. I would be very, very surprised if the IWM was able to get over 253 before Trump speaks. I actually think tonight, whatever Trump says is going to be a little bit bearish, but let's wait and see on that. Today, let's talk about crypto and quantum. This has been something that's on the radar. Will quantum take away the security of crypto? We have a lot more information that I'm going to share with you guys right now. Before I do, though, big glockenspiel for my guy. J-Rock announced yesterday that he's finally going to retire. Spent 37 years in aerospace. J-Rock joined MIT in fall 2024. He carved out 30 minutes a day to watch the show. He shared that he grew his options account by 50%. And no way I'm saying he retired because of MIT. We're just celebrating J-Rock's 37 years of working and his retirement. So J-Rock, I'm thrilled for you. I love having you in the community, and I'm glad that we can celebrate with you. So congrats, my guy. Okay, let's just talk about what just happened, because this is big news, guys. So a paper went out yesterday. It was a 57-page white paper, and it proved that crypto encryption can be cracked with quantum computers far sooner than expected. This came out of Google's DeepMind Research Center. Google's Quantum AI, Stanford, and the Ethereum Foundation was involved in this. The key findings: less than 500,000 physical qubits to break Bitcoin and Ethereum encryption. 20x reduction from the prior estimates. That's a big deal, guys. These are the numbers that matter. I went through the paper and simplified everything for us. 9 minutes it takes to crack a Bitcoin private key. 6.9 million Bitcoin already vulnerable. 41% on-spend attack success rate. And then the estimate from the Google paper is that by 2032, possible Q day, 10% probability is what they put on it, that quantum can actually crack crypto. So what's at stake? 1.7 million Bitcoin. Old Bitcoins. Keys likely lost forever. These are certainly at risk. 1.7 million is quite a figure at a $70,000 valuation. 6.9 million Bitcoin across all protocols with exposed or reused public keys. That's 33% of all Bitcoin. On-spend attacks possible. Fast clock quantum computers can intercept transactions. And then proof of work is safe. Grover's algorithm does not threaten mining. The risk is in the signatures, not in the hashing. So I guess that's a good part of it, but still, there is quite a bit of exposure. Ethereum's 5 attack vectors, vulnerabilities: account, admin, the code, consensus, and data available. All of these assets at risk. Total Ethereum ecosystem, 600 billion plus in total value secured. Remember Y2K? Turned out nothing happened, but people spent a lot of money. Companies spent a lot of money preparing for this. Well, this seems to be a very, very similar thing. 300 billion spent. Well, what's going to happen with quantum? Math steals your money. Unknown deadlines. Fix requires global crypto migration. 2 trillion plus in crypto assets at risk. This is a big deal. Quantum is coming a lot faster than everyone thinks, just like AI is improving a lot quicker than people think. Here's what we're looking at: the post-quantum cryptography market. Right now, it's a 0.4 billion market cap. Paper thinks it's going to go to a 2.8 billion. That is a 46% CAGR growth. Who needs it? Everybody at risk. Everybody at risk. The world needs to change as quantum comes on board. Here's how to invest, though, because it's not so easy to invest in these names. Private pure plays. These will all be public eventually. These will all be massive, massive IPOs. Some public pure plays. And you can see Big Cyber pivoting into this area. A couple of tickers, PanW, NXP, and NET. I'm going to share a trade with all you guys, though. So hold on. We up to 150 likes yet? Did you like? It's a good trade. 1 like for a wingdinger of a trade. Here it is. It's a little bit different than we normally trade. Blockchain's already moving. There's only one blockchain that's prepared. Ticker symbol ALGO. Today, ALGO is already up 20%. Here's ALGO. Algorand. I think this is the first coin that we've ever shared in a Masters in Trading free. Here's what it looks like. The news. What you want is you want to see things react to the news. This is reacting to the Google paper. It's barely budged. It was trading 14 cents at the beginning of the year. Got up to 30 cents in 2025. Along with all the other nonsense, it rallied up to $2 in 2021. I was not familiar with ALGO before I researched this piece. ALGO is the way to play it in coins. ALGO. Does that make sense for everybody? Pretty cool trade, right? This is what separates us, guys. Reading, doing research, and then finding the most efficient way to express your opinion. The most efficient way to express this opinion through coins is in ALGO. And that's what we can do right now. Last trade, 10 cents, 0.4 or 0.1039. Make sure that you like the stream. So there you go. That's going to be ALGO for you. This is directly from the paper. It is conceivable that the existence of early quantum computers may first be detected on the blockchain rather than announced. Why? Because they are going to steal stuff, and that's how people are going to learn about quantum. What we're going to do in All Access is I wanted to share something with you guys to kick off our 150 likes party. In our All Access, we're going to be talking about the only pure play way to play this in the stock market and in the options market. And let me tell you guys, smart money is already positioning, and you can see the confidence in this trade just by looking at ALGO. ALGO's up 20% today. ALGO's going to keep running. This is going to be a really big deal going forward. Everybody in All Access, you guys hang tight. I got a phenomenal option trade that we could take advantage of this story. Thumbs up whenever we get over 150 likes. I got a free trade for you. Thanks for watching, guys. All Access, you guys sit tight.